Hello everyone, myself Vijay Lagda, Assistant Professor, Management Department, Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. My today's topic is personal selling. Meaning of personal selling, needs, features, and process of personal selling. Now, first of all, what is promotion mix? A promotion mix is a set of different marketing approaches that marketers develop to optimize promotional efforts and reach a broader audience. It consists of public relation, advertising, sales promotion, and the last one is the today's topic, personal selling. Now, what is personal selling? Personal selling happens when company and business firms send out their salesmen to use the sales force and sell the product or services by meeting the consumer face to face. They aim to inform and encourage the customer to buy or at least trial the product. For example, salesmen go to different societies to sell the product. Another example is found in departmental stores on the perfume and cosmetic counters. A consumer can get advice on how to apply the product and can try different products. Product with relative high price or with complex features are often sold using personal selling. The great example includes car, office equipments such as photocopy machine, and many products that are sold by business to other industrial customers. A great saying that everyone lives by selling something. Now, the question arises, have you ever noticed different salesman comes to your house to sell different products or services? Now, this is an example of personal selling. But in the age of digital media and online marketing, is personal selling exist? Question: yes, personal selling exists in some cases, such as product tends to be fairly complex, such as financial services or new cars purchase. Or prospect needs specific information. The purchase of tends to involve large sum of money required. Product demonstration needs to develop relation with customer. Source of marketing research data. Now, features of personal selling. First one is personal forum. Under personal selling, a personal contact is established between the buyer and the salesman. In other words, both the parties face each other. Second one is development of relationship. Personal selling result in the development of personal relationship with the salesperson and the possible buyer. Such a relationship has an important place in the sales. Now, next is oral conversation. There is an conversation between the salesperson and the buyer regarding the features of the product, such as price, color, shape, design, and method of use, etc. Now, next is quick solution to the queries. The prospective buyer can make inquiry regarding the product. Salesman answer these queries quickly and remove any doubt in the mind of the buyer. Next is receipt of additional information. Normally, before introducing its product, a company is aware of the preference of the probable buyers. Nevertheless, during the course of personal selling, when the salesperson is the direct contact is in the direct contact with the buyer, he or she gather additional information regarding their taste and likings. Now, last is real sales. Under personal selling, the buyer are not only informed about the product goods and are actually sold to them. The next process of personal selling. The process of personal selling involves 7 steps. First is prospecting and qualifying. It includes identifying the qualified potential customer. Second is pre-approach. Learn as much as possible about your customer. Next is approach. Make a relationship. Next is presentation and demonstration. tell the product story and focus on customer benefit. Next is handling objections, overcome customers' objections. Next is closing, ask for an order, follow up to ensure customer satisfaction, to repeat business. Now we will discuss these the process of personal selling in detail. The first step is prospecting and qualifying. The first step of personal selling is called prospecting. Prospecting refers to locating potential customers. There are many sources from which potential customer can be found: observation, social contact, trade shows, commercially available database, commercially available mail list, and cold calling. Now next is pre-approach. The next step in personal selling process is called pre-approach. The pre-approach involves preparation for the sales presentation. This preparation involves research about the potential customer, such as marketing research, such as market research. Research is useful in planning the right sales presentation. During the pre-approach, the salesperson may also plan and practice their sales presentation. Next step is the approach. In the next step of personal selling, uh, initial contact between the salesperson and the prospective customer during this stage is established. The salesperson takes a few minutes for the small talk and get to know the potential customer. The goal of approach is to determine the specific needs and wants of the individual customer, as well as allowing the potential customer to relax and open up. The next step is sales presentation and demonstration. The next step in personal selling process is called sales presentation. Sales presentation involves the salesperson presenting the product or services, describing its qualities, and possibly demonstrate the features of the product. Ideally, the sales presentation will be individualized to match the need and desire of the potential customer. Next step is handling objections. In some cases, after receiving the sales presentation, the potential customer will have some questions or concern. In order to secure a sales, the salesperson must address these questions and concerns. This step is refers to handling objections. Now next is closing the sales. The next step in the personal selling process is refers to closing the sales. Closing the sale refers to finalizing the sales and persuading the potential customer to make purchase. During the closing the sale step, price and payment option may be negotiated. And the last is follow up. The final step in personal selling process is refers to follow up. The follow up involves the salesperson contacting the customer after the sale to ensure that the customer is satisfied. If the customer has any existing issues with the product, the salesperson will address them. A successful follow up stage of personal selling can be very effective in ensuring repeat sales, evaluating the effectiveness of the salesperson, and obtaining additional referral from the satisfied customers. Now, thank you so much. This is all about personal selling, its features and process of personal selling. Thank you so much, students.